It's your girl Nizzy Mac, and I'm back on the track. Hey. Popping, baby. Yes, like it, I love it. Hey y'all, thanks for dropping by my channel. It's your girl Nizzy Mac, and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping by, y'all. I got a human hair banger for y'all, a pre-colored slay. Like, don't we love when it comes already colored? You ain't gotta do nothing, okay? Like, we love that over here. I'll show you guys how I installed this unit. This is actually a 6x6 closure unit, so I'm gonna show you guys all the steps I take to, you know, do a quick slay. No knot bleaching, no none of that, just, you know, laying her and slaying her, okay? Also, if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Let me know you rocking with your girl in my YouTube journey to the top. Also, also, while you're down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Also, really quick, I do want to touch on some perfume that was sent to me by Dossier. So yeah, this perfume is a bomb, you guys. So here is the little box that they sent me, you guys. So here is the packaging, and it says on here, it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. We love that, okay? So then let me choose what kind of perfume I wanted. So I chose a dupe for the Gucci Bloom, you guys. So I'm super excited about that, you guys, because for one, I've always smelled Gucci Bloom in the stores, and I'm like, girl, it's too high, I'm not gonna buy that. But they have dupes for a lot of name brand perfumes, and they're way marked down. So I really appreciate this website, because they also send with the perfume, they'll send you what kind of notes that the perfume has, and by notes I mean like what kind of scents. So this says it's inspired by Gucci. Concentration is 15%. So let me show you guys the bottle that it comes in. It's just a clear bottle, you guys, with the silver top and, you know, the little magnetic top or whatever. They put the name of the they don't put like the name of the designer on there. They just put this is what it's called, floral honeysuckle, you guys. So it's floral honeysuckle, and it is 50 milliliters. So this one retailed for $30 or $30 and some change. So these are really inexpensive, and you can smell like real good. So I sprayed this on earlier before this video, just so that I can see what it smelled like on my skin tone. Exactly like Gucci Bloom, you guys, and it smells really good. Like, it's very concentrated. Like, when I walked in the room, my girlfriend was like, whoa. Yeah, so we love it. So yes, you guys, make sure you guys check them out, okay? I'll leave the link down below. I also have a discount code that you guys can use. So back to the program. Let's go ahead and jump into that install. I'll show you guys everything I did.